I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long night. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking
Wow. Hi Siri. Hi. So guys, we are ready to take off and we're gonna go check out Toronto tonight right now. Yeah. See you guys soon. We'll be up in the sky. Check out Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Wow, how close we are to the tower. This is amazing. We're so blessed to be here right now. Wow, this is the wow factor. This is the awe moment. This is the awe moment we have for Toronto. We are so thankful to be in Toronto and to live Toronto and East Canada. Awesome.
higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I.
Please hit the subscribe buttons